Do you wanna make friends with Nana? The sky clouds, the grass and the berries. We can hang out in the moonlit forest. Nana has learned to control her power. A little wall, it's a day wasted if you don't cheer yourself up. Mama told me not to judge others. One for the little girl who lives down the lane. Why are you ignoring me? Do you hate Nana? I will share everything with you cause we are friends. Meow, Nana doesn't like those scary monsters. Let me protect you.